Hey guys! In today's video, we are introducing iMini, an all-in-one platform for AI generation using all the most popular AI models. With iMini, you can create AI images, videos, text, and more, all from a single dashboard without switching between multiple tools. Whether you're a content creator, designer, marketer, or beginner, iMini makes AI creation faster, simpler, and more powerful. In this video, we'll walk you through the interface, show you how to use its features step by step, and help you get the best results from iMini AI. So, let's get started. Open iMini using the given link in the description. Click on AI image. Click on Models. You can choose different models from here. We'll use Google's most advanced image model, Nano Banana Pro. Next, click on the plus icon and add your image. Now, we'll use this prompt for getting a clear and high-quality image. Click on Create to get your image. In this way, you can easily upscale your images using AI. Click on Download to get the image. First, upload your image. Delete the prompt. We'll use this prompt to create our professional headshot image. Paste the prompt and click on Create. In this way, you can create a professional image for your LinkedIn profile or other social media. First, upload your product image. We'll use this prompt for our creation. You can use your own. Click Create to generate your image. Let's see the result. You can also create this type of images for your product promotion. Click Download to save it on the desktop. First, upload your original image. Then, the 3D reference image. Now, write a simple prompt like, "Transform my image into a 3D character resembling the second image." Now, click on Create. Here, you can create your own 3D image using just a reference image. Download it. First, click on the Video tab to enter the iMini AI video creation interface. Then, choose your desired model. Today, we'll use Google Veo 3 for this creation. Add this long prompt to get optimal results. Choose Sound On. You can choose a different duration also. Take resolution 1080p. Keep this landscape size. Now, create your video. Veo 3 creates this amazing video. Click on Download to get it. Let's see the result. Today we'll create an animated logo using this static typography logo. For this, go to Canva, click on Templates, choose Logo, take a blank page. Click on Text, add a heading. Now just type your brand name. We will write Loop. Now you can choose a font that's slightly similar to the logo. Adjust its size and position. Go to Share, then download it in PNG format. After this, go back to iMini. Click on Image to Video. Choose the Kling 2.5 Turbo model. Click on First Frame and add the text image. Then click on Last Frame and add your original logo. We will create an animation of this text, transitioning to our original logo. For this, we will use this simple prompt. Click on Create. Here's the result. Look how amazing that animation is. Go back to the iMini homepage. Click on Precise Edit. Click on Upload to add your image. We'll change this Vogue word. For this, just write a simple prompt. Change the word Vogue to time. Click on Create to generate. In this way, you can change any elements in your design using iMini's Precise Edit option. Download your image. You can also create designs without your prompt by exploring iMini's vast inspiration libraries, where you get images, animations, and videos. We'll try this one. Click on the image, then Make Same Style. Now, delete their demo image and upload your own. Choose Nano Banana Pro for the most accurate creation. Click on Create. Here's the final output. Along with image and video creation, you can use iMini's other AI assistants like 3D module, AI chat, AI slides, and also deep research. We'll explore AI chat today. You can use all popular chat models here. Let's try iMini's own AI chat model. Now, we will give a prompt like, "Give me 5 essential tips to elevate my brand." Click on this to get the result. Now, the iMini Pro model uses a deep thinking process to give us the best solution. Here's the result. In this way, you can use iMini with their huge collection of all popular AI models and create all your designs in minutes. To explore more, use the link given in the description. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.